Hi, I'm Jonathan Rosenfeld, and my law firm represents women and their families who have suffered injuries after using talcum powder like this. You may have seen some news headlines regarding the connection between talcum powder use and ovarian cancer, as well as cancer in the fallopian tubes and even the lungs when the powder is inhaled. To begin with, Johnson & Johnson is the leader in the talcum powder industry and controls the overwhelming majority of the talcum powder sold today. Johnson & Johnson's baby powder has been on the market since the 1850s. While the product was originally developed to keep babies' bottoms dry after diapering, J&J began marketing baby powder for other uses. Over the years, Johnson & Johnson began marketing its baby powder products to women as part of the daily hygiene routines. In particular, the company concentrated on marketing the products to minority women as a way for them to feel clean and dry by absorbing moisture and reducing friction, which could cause skin irritation and rashes. What Johnson & Johnson didn't tell women is that the product they were using contained talc and asbestos, carcinogenic compounds. This failure to warn women of the potential dangers is the heart of the talcum powder litigation today. The main ingredient in talcum powder is talc. Talc is a mineral that is composed of magnesium, silicon, and oxygen. It is a natural material that is mined from deep within the earth. In its natural state, talc contains asbestos, a carcinogen that is responsible for the premature deaths and illnesses over the past century. Since at least the 1970s, Johnson & Johnson started learning that the talcum powder products they were aggressively marketing were starting to show a correlation between various types of cancer in women. The company's own studies demonstrated a strong connection between regular talcum powder use in the genital area and an increased risk of ovarian cancer in other parts of the female anatomy. Yet the company took no action to add a warning to the label of the product so women can make an educated decision regarding the risk of the product. Similarly, J&J took no action to remove the products from the market or change them to non-talc based ingredients such as cornstarch. Today, Johnson & Johnson is facing thousands of lawsuits from women who have developed ovarian cancer and lung cancer. The majority of talcum powder lawsuits are centralized in federal court in New Jersey. There are also batches of similar cases pending in state courts around the country. Some of these cases have gone to trial with substantial verdicts awarded to women and their families impacted by this product. At this time, there is no global settlement of these cases offered by Johnson & Johnson or any of the other talcum powder manufacturers. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with cancer involving ovaries, fallopian tubes, or lungs, you may be eligible to join one of the pending lawsuits. Contact my office today for a no-fee, no-obligation consultation about your legal rights and options. As more information in this litigation comes to light, we will be updating you accordingly.